people, we up here getting it in. Look at all these mixtapes. These all stack of 10, you know what I'm saying? We working. We up here making our bread. Gonna go out of town this weekend. You know how that go. Look at it. Every song go. You hear me? Every song go. You know what I'm saying? We in here making this bread, man. You know how that go. Look. Today, what we up in here doing, bro? We ain't just up in here.
Money, like always.
Getting this money like always. You know how that go. Bro, new party jacket, bro. Hold on. So y'all, bro. For all y'all niggas, y'all take footnotes, man. You know what I'm saying? This is what we can do. This is how you gotta do it. Look. Be hot in this music, you know what I'm saying? Let me see. Work hard. Any more advice? Let me see. Look, I'm telling you, bro, that crunk music, not crunk, but that derogatory and all that violence, rock blocker type music. No disrespect, this ain't no diss. It's kind of dead, man. You know what I'm saying? You gotta come on a different angle, a different level on type of music, you know. And it's a public service announcement from Kevo, man, from 3rd Degree. I know a lot of y'all gonna be like, he ain't talking about nothing, you know, but we out here making moves as well. You know what I'm saying? I'm not talking about nothing, but, you know what I'm saying? We went to Hollywood, went to Atlanta, about to go to Indiana, West Virginia, you know what I'm saying? Naptown, Louisville, Kentucky. But we ain't, you know what I'm saying? I ain't talking about nothing, though, you know what I'm saying? Let me stop, but, like I said, we up here doing this, and I'm gonna hit y'all back. Any more advice, y'all just let me know. Hit us up on YouTube and all that. But that's about it, man. Black out.